We've got a big update today for Qortal users. Qortal Hub version 0.5.6 is here, and it's one of the most feature-packed updates so far. This release makes Qortal Hub more powerful, more intuitive, and honestly just more enjoyable to use. Let's go through what's new. First up, the new core handler. This one's huge. You can now install, start, stop, and even bootstrap your Qortal core directly inside Qortal Hub. So if you're running Hub and core locally on the same device, this gives you complete control in one clean interface. That means no more jumping around between windows or running manual bootstrap scripts. So if you need to restart your core, you just click Stop Core. Want to bootstrap? It's literally one button. This is a massive quality of life improvement for running a node. Next, we have multiple hub instances. You can now open more than one hub window at the same time and still have access to your saved accounts across all of them. That is perfect for multitasking between chats, trades, queue apps, and everything else on Qortal. This one's all about flexibility, so no more closing one profile just to access another one. Third, you can now create video embeds inside of chats. You can watch videos directly inside your Qortal conversations on QChat, so no need to open an external Q app tab. It keeps everything flowing right where you're chatting, and it's perfect for group announcements, tutorials, or sharing media. It's a small addition, but it really makes Qortal start to feel like a complete ecosystem, not just a blockchain. Next up, we have the Q apps Tab Rework. Now you have easier access to your open Q apps from both the homepage and from the chat. It's cleaner, faster, and just smoother all around. For developers and active users, this means less time clicking around and more time building and using Q apps. And there are plenty of other small fixes as well, which you can find in the full release notes in the description of this video. So overall, Qortal Hub 0.5.6 brings smoother control, better multitasking, and a more connected experience. Whether you're managing your core, chatting with the community, or using Q apps, everything just feels faster and more refined. So if you haven't installed it yet, head over to Qortal.dev downloads page, or simply open your Qortal Hub for an auto update on most operating systems. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on Qortal.